Welcome to the second stop in our RV adventure, Pacific City, Oregon. The drive has been beautiful. We drove along the coast to get to Cannon Beach and Pacific City. It was a pretty good drive in the RV, though I have not driven it yet. My partner has been amazing. As you can tell, it was a bit chilly with the rain and wind, but luckily we had a big workout ahead of us to warm up. We hiked up a big sand dune to get the best view. Willa was in heaven at Pacific City, and like always, everyone absolutely loved her if they could get her to actually stop and say hello. She was running around like crazy. She ran up the sand dune, back down to where we were, and then back up again. Her recall was impressive, so when we got into some sketchy parts, she went back on leash. It's funny, we know that Willa is a very beautiful dog, and of course this community knows how gorgeous Vizslas are, but so many people on this trip already have never even seen a Vizsla, so they immediately ask what breed she is, and they're just amazed by how beautiful Willa is. Everyone comments on her beauty, and I just love it, and I think it's nice that we as this community know how great and beautiful and the type of breed that Vizslas are, so I am really happy to be sharing Willa with the world. The salt formations were beautiful. My partner said when he used to come here, he would hike all the way to the very edge and it was super dangerous, but now the entire walk is fenced off, which I actually prefer because it was so windy, and we also had Willa, so it was nice to have a fenced-in area. After we got back down to the beach, we headed to Pelican Brewing for some lunch. The patio is dog-friendly. It had great food with American-sized portions. The view was incredible from the patio and a big fireplace to keep warm on these chilly days. We paid for a day pass at the RV lot across the road where there were bathrooms and showers. It was $10 to park there, which was actually the same price as the day parking in the parking lot for cars, so it worked out really well for us. Okay, I absolutely love ice cream. I'm not sure if anyone knows this, but it's actually one of my favorite things. And at my old job, I had Tillamook Creamery as a client. So when we drove by the headquarters in Tillamook, I absolutely had to buy some ice cream and try it out. I decided to get the Strawberry Oregon ice cream sandwiches. They were awesome. Okay, now we are back on the road and we are headed for California. As always, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode, and I will see you in the next video.